And before we come to the end of this game and the end of the section, I would like to assign you a game. आप लोग एक game बनाएंगे which is similar to the helicopter game, but उसके अंदर spaceships होंगी. You will have hovercraft spaceships, and this is going to be more of a Mars environment. तो आप जो terrain set करेंगे, उसकी soil, it will be red. The light will also be orange red, and it will start giving you a feel. There will be no trees. There will be only stone and mud, and there will be only rocks and red soil, and mountains can be there, yeah. And आप अपनी spaceships को लेके चलेंगे. You could use the same missile and use it in the other project and use the similar code or the same code. और आप एक similar in sky one-to-one fighting game बनाएंगे जिसमें you will be killing other spaceships using missiles. So this is going to be your assignment. Obviously, you can use components from this idea, but this is going to be your next assignment. Once you make your assignment, please do share that with me, maybe a screen capture video, or once we learn how to upload the game on the web, you could probably send me a link. I'll be happy to play your game.